Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Infiniti QX60. And trust me, this isn't just a facelift. Infiniti's latest luxury SUV is packing some serious style, tech, and comfort upgrades. Whether you're a family driver or a luxury enthusiast, this might be the most underappreciated gem in the segment. The front end now gets a bold refresh inspired by the flagship QX80. You've got a redesigned grille, sleeker LED lights, and an Infiniti light path welcome sequence that makes unlocking your car feel like a VIP experience. And check this out. If you go for the new sport trim, you get blacked out accents and these aggressive 20-inch gloss black wheels. Step inside and it's premium vibes all the way. The 2026 QX60 brings in upgraded materials, soft-touch surfaces, and for the sport trim, this stunning dusk blue interior. The dual 12.3-inch displays feel high-end. And for audiophiles, the new Klipsch sound system with individual audio tech lets you blast your music without disturbing your passengers. That's wild. Under the hood, Infiniti keeps it familiar with a 3.5 LV6 pushing out 295 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic. It's smooth, responsive, and geared more toward comfort than sport. But that's exactly what most buyers in this segment want. So, is the 2026 Infiniti QX60 worth a look? Absolutely. It brings luxury, tech, and elegance to the three-row SUV market, without the flashy price tag of some German rivals. If you want sophistication and comfort in one sleek package, this could be your next family cruiser. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your take on the QX60? Better than the Acura MDX or Lexus RX? Let's talk. Catch you in the next one.